God.
Father, give thanks.
Nation, before we get into the war episode with Vybz Kartel versus Mavado'S Lyrical Showdown at Reggae Sumfest 2026, it's not going to be normal. A lot of fans is talking about it. And also, Skippa and Malie Donn is at war lyrically. When a lot of fans would look at dancehall and look at the state of dancehall, a lot of fans would say it's exciting. For me, dancehall is on a scale. It's hot. The scale is fully burning up. Right now, we see we in dancehall right now. Future Farmer have a very good song. And today we're talking about this song and even playing the song with some people. And before playing this song, I was saying this song's going to be a huge banger in dancehall. This song by Future Farmer and Shqke Works, Give Thanks, is a solid song. And this is a 10 out of 10 for Future Farmer and Shqke Works. Give thanks. How can I be ungrateful for life? Wake up this morning and look at the beautiful life that I got. Oh, I have to be grateful. I cannot be ungrateful. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to dancehall and reggae music. This is the type of song we really love. We really love them songs if we can strengthen the youth. No matter where youth them go through, there's always hope. There's always life ahead. The struggle is a must, and you have to go through struggle so you can learn, so you can be better for you next time.
Let me give you glory.
All my glory.
Cause when me look from a story,
When I look,
I nothing man
so true.
been true.
Thank you, Jah, for the blessing when you give. More well me now, like the food in my fridge.
Give Thanks by Future Farmer and Shqke Works. It's a solid song. I cannot get enough of this song. This song is on a repeat now in my playlist. Every day I listen to this song at least 4 times. Just the way how the song is solid. And this is what me I talk about. When it comes to dancehall, we don't wish more with dancehall artists them engage in songs like these. Really sing songs like these and make the youth them know that the struggle is not everlasting. And right now the war going on between Skippa Donn and Malie Donn. 2 Donn in a dancehall, young Donn, are now battling for the king title later on in the future, just like the Gully versus Gaza back in the days in 2008. And now it's 2026, and now we realize that Vybz Kartel and Mavado'S are about to show down. They're about to do the rerun in dancehall. A lot of fans is excited and a lot of people can't wait for this moment. Fans are now saddling to get them best Gloc shoes and them best fake rifle for walk with. Wait, them can't even walk with fake rifle in Jamaica no more because what feds them are going to arrest them. Well, right now the scenes in dancehall is really crazy because we have realized that Malie Donn, the new Donn, are battling the new Donn, Skippa Donn in dancehall. This reminds us of the clash between Vybz Kartel and Mavado'S, as I just said. And this is what we're talking about. Dancehall clash, lyrical clash in dancehall is a must. We don't like the artists and we always run away from this clash and always drop on 2 songs and feel like them winners clash and them bother like this. Well, right now in dancehall we have 2 confirmed lyrical showdown about to happen. Skippa versus Malie Donn, Vybz Kartel versus Mavado'S, Reggae Sumfest, and Skippa versus Malie Donn going to be on YouTube. Don't worry yourself, you're going to stay locked in and to see who is the new champion of dancehall because them say Massacre scared and Alkaline scared. I say fans them say, I know me say that.
Rush if I go in a war, in a keep run. Me must be tough up a Satan. You got
Well, once about AJ back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to another banger review, another banger update.
Like me no know me on a vice. Bad bitch in the car, she have my on a bike.
Now we can see where Reggae Sumfest 2026 Gully versus Gaza is eating up. Where Mavado'S is now ready for that clash, that lyrical showdown with Vybz Kartel, the king of dancehall. Remember once them did it already, them did clash and them did go at war. War was in the streets, war was in the air, war was everywhere. But now we getting a second rounds because dancehall deserve a second rounds lyrical showdown between Mavado'S and Vybz Kartel. A lot of fans is talking about it. If 2008 could repeat itself, that would be a real huge humongous show. And now they're repeating 2008. A lot of fans wondering if they're going to sing out of the box song or if they're going to sing their real rival song with no filter. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box because a lot of people want to see a real raw authentic lyrical squash. It can be friendly, but at the moment it's not supposed to be friendly at that show where a lot of fans are expecting excitement.
stage. Them do not stand on a shanty. And you say, I'm going to be a big, or Mr. Real Gangster. Man. I say, listen back then. All the stage. I mean, I'm alone. Turn it up. Because we want them whenever they lie.
Them, not the national. Never. I will deal with the rational. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow pint is.
Vybz Kartel and Mavado is really gearing up for this world tour, and this world tour is important for Vybz Kartel and Mavado at the same time because they leave a legacy in dancehall, a whole footprint. Well, a lot of people saying this is a genius idea by Mavado and Vybz Kartel to do a whole world tour because they know them have the fans. And speaking of war and legacy and dancehall's clashing culture, we see we have Malie Donn and Skippa Donn going back and forth right now. War is confirmed. This war now hide behind no curtain because after the snatching of Skippa chain, we see where this becomes a lyrical showdown where Skippa now go make this pass. Skippa have something to prove and Malie Donn have something to prove. Well, a lot of fans is saying that Skippa Donn not ready for clash Malie Donn because Malie Donn a big dancehall artist because he clash a lot of artists and ready for clash any artist at any time. Some people calling Malie Donn the lyrical machine and some fans are saying Skippa Donn haven't made any dope yet in dancehall, but Skippa go on good with the music. Him not really need no splash, but splash is important to every dancehall artist. Skippa see the move and pick up the move and say him about this night Malie Donn wicked. And not just Malie Donn, the whole 6 camp get it. Let me know what you guys think about this war between Skippa Donn and Malie Donn.
The man you need for detox, me see it a eat a kill a woolly mama ya me and give my teacher on your face a punch up and a beat a Gaza, murder for my mind. Dirty 15, we full it up a dollar can Gaza. Murder for my mind. Knock it on a switch, my dog a full in night time.
Right now in dancehall, nobody is safe when it comes to this lyrical battle in dancehall. Battling for the king title. Skippa Donn and Malie Donn shoot out right now lyrically. After Malie Donn drop his song, the App Song, now Skippa reply with a song called Glocs and Chips, where Skippa saying that he man knock it on a 6, he man knock it on all 6, even Squash man I get it. Well, some fans are saying Skippa went too far when he mentioned Squash because him already know how Squash get done. Squash not afraid to go to jail. Them man they love jail. A jail for them man they home. So Skippa if you mind no matter about when he mention all 6 guys, 6 wire them and not just musically, it's always out in the streets physically too.
Murder for my mind. Dirty 15, we full it up a dollar can Gaza. Murder for my mind.
Skippa letting it known in dancehall that murder upon him mind, and it must get a Malie Donn now the 6 camp right now man knock it on all 6. Anyway MC 6 them might get it. Glocs and Chips, let me know how much out of 10 you guys would give this song because we see where some fans are saying Malie Donn in the lead and some fans are saying Skippa in the lead.
The boy a pram push him flow waste man, and if you change your song book murder boy constant. See talk no stop look how much.
Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment box. Now we can see we are a young lady called Through the Glasses. Now in her opinion on the whole solo show O2 Arena of Gully vs Gaza with Vybz Kartel and Mavado'S, where she's saying that Massacre and Alkaline failed to do that and failed to solo show while J-Pro gets criticizing Vybz Kartel.
Gay progress. You know see what I go on pan the Gully and pan the Gaza in a 24-hour, one day. O2 Arena sold out. Which one of your favorite artists? Which blinds? Which Mosquito? See Massacre they try to sell out theme thing over a month now. Which one? Boy, somebody go check pan Gay Progress to me that rated. Somebody go check pan Gay Progress because I know say him no feel good when he see this. But Gay Progress, guess what? You no matter how you feel, man. You have whole heap more to say. Trust me.
Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment box about what Through the Glass is saying. I know we can see where Bravo in his opinion on Ziggy Lifestyle. Not really sure what happened between Bravo and Ziggy Lifestyle, but let's take a listen.
And you boy, Ziggy Lifestyle, go suck your mama and take your medication. And who you boy? Remember say your window to the world is through your phone screen. A business class flight, me take you. Hear that boy, go suck your mama when you see if buy any fate, if you don't feel like you don't ever sit, no matter about 4 years now, man, I call up on social media, I never yet try to get up in a circle or no league yet. When you see me on your bumbuckler at phone screen or by mistake, you hear that Ziggy, go suck your mama. Remember say whether or not me turn on my life, I'm going to eat. I am going to eat. We ain't remotely the same thing. Ziggy Lifestyle, go suck out your mother. You hear me I tell you boy, I mean that from the depths of my heart in the realest way. Me nah have a blood clot create strife on social media for name no food. You know say all of you them rate with us naturally so just so. Ziggy Lifestyle, go suck your real mother. And you see like how you claim say you're a bad man, a man can you up. Me never get no carnate. That mean me better than you. Go suck your mama Ziggy lifestyle. That me I tell you, hungry belly boy.
No dagger who a boots them. Only thing me know about six, I just a bag of dead friend. While longer me no weep in head. Only thing